Vocabulary. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about vocabulary in addition word problems. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. When we see a word problem, this describes a situation or a scenario. And when we read the word problem, we can then translate it into a math equation to solve for it. However, sometimes it's difficult if you don't know what the words mean. There are target words or target vocabulary that when you see it in a word problem, it will tell you to add. The first word we're going to look at is the word increase. Copy the word increase down. Increase means to go up. Let's read that word problem. There are 4 people in the park. The number of people increases by 10. How many people are now in the park? What this means is there are 4 people and the number increases and goes up by 10. So when we translate this word problem, we'll have 4 plus 10. Here's the next word, altogether. Copy the word altogether down. When you see the word altogether, it means you're going to put all of the numbers together, meaning you will add. Let's read a word problem. I have 9 pencils. I buy 2 more pencils. How many pencils do I have altogether? Altogether is usually in the question of the word problem. So we have 9, and then I buy 2 more. When I put them together, that's all together. Well done. The next vocabulary phrase is in all. Please copy that down. In all is another way of saying altogether. In all means you're putting it all together and you're going to count them. Here's an example. I read 3 pages for science class. I read 7 pages for English class. How many pages do I read in all? Just like altogether, in all is usually in the question of the word problem. The next vocabulary word is add. Add is the operation or the type of equation we are writing. Please copy this down. Add. There are 11 cookies on the plate. I add 5 cookies. How many cookies are on the plate? When I add the cookies, I'm putting more cookies on the plate. So we would add 11 plus 5. Another word that means to add is the word some. This is not some like I have some cookies or I have some friends or I have to read some books. This is a different sum. This is S-U-M. Please copy this down. Sum means the answer of an addition problem. Every addition equation has an answer, and that answer is called the sum. When a word problem asks for the sum, it means to add them together. Another word that means to add is more. Please copy that down. More. More means you get extra of something. A student collects 4 papers, then they collect 7 more. How many papers does the student collect? So the student has 4 papers, and then they collect 7 more papers. They get 7 additional papers. So when you add, you'll add 4 plus 7. Another word that means to add is the word total. Please copy that word down. Total. Total means the complete amount that you have. I bought 3 candles last week. I buy 12 candles this week. What is the total number of candles? Usually, total will be in the question. So total also means to add. Another word that means to add is combine. Please copy this word down. Combine means when you put 2 things together. A group has 6 students. Another group has 9 students. How many students are there if the teacher combines the groups? If the teacher combines the two groups, the teacher's making one group. Combines. Another word that means to add is plus. Plus is the word that we use to describe the symbol for an addition equation. Please copy plus down. An example is what is 8 plus 9? This word problem simply states a math equation in language or words. What is 8 plus 9? Finally, the last word is earn. Please copy the word earn down. Earn means that you make more money or you've earned it. You have done something to receive something. I have $7. I earned $10 walking my neighbor's dog. How much money do I have now? Earn means that I went out and I did a job and I get money for it. Usually when you see earn, the word problem will be talking about money. In this lesson, we learned about vocabulary and addition word problems. Thank you for following along.